Hi there. Today's question comes from Emanuel, 10 years old, which is, can AI also see and hear? Here to answer the question is MIT Associate Researcher Jurgis Karpus.
Hi. This is a great and actually quite tricky question, Emanuel. It might seem that AI can see or hear. For example, when you show it a picture and it tells you what's in it, or when you talk and it turns your voice into words to figure out what you said. But the way AI sees and hears is very different from how we do. Let's take seeing. If you want AI to recognize a dog in a picture, you have to train it by showing it millions of dog pictures. Dogs walking in parks, running, playing, sneezing, yawning, doing all the things that dogs do. You have to tell it every single time for each picture, here's a dog, there's another dog, that's a dog too. But AI doesn't really understand that it's looking at the same kind of animal doing different things. It only sees lots of different blobs of color and patterns. After seeing enough of them, it can spot another blob that looks similar and say, that's a dog. For you, it's completely different. Look at this animal. It looks a bit like a zebra, a bit like a horse, maybe even a bit like a giraffe. It's called an okapi. Now that you've seen just one picture of okapi, I could show you hundreds of other pictures of okapis, jumping, running around, maybe even upside down, and you'd be able to recognize them every time. AI can't do that. It doesn't understand what it's seeing. It only sees patterns in pictures. It doesn't know that an okapi is an animal that moves, eats, or sleeps. You can imagine all that. AI can't. So even though it seems that AI can see or hear, it doesn't do it the same way we do. It doesn't understand what it's seeing or hearing. It's only good at spotting patterns.